What can your spouse use against you in a New York divorce? Going through a divorce is an incredibly challenging experience on multiple levels. Emotionally, it can involve unraveling a once cherished relationship, leading to a rollercoaster of intense feelings such as sadness, anger, and betrayal. The weight of these emotions can make it difficult to maintain clarity and focus throughout the divorce process. Moreover, the legal complexities add another layer of difficulty and, in a contentious or fault-based divorce, your spouse may feel compelled to use evidence of your actions or behavior against you in order to secure a more favorable outcome on the divorce. Grounds for divorce in New York. Prior to the introduction of the no-fault divorce in 2010, obtaining a divorce in New York required that spouses prove marital faults such as adultery, cruelty, or abandonment. However, New York now permits no-fault divorces, which simplifies the process for many couples. Financial factors in New York divorces. Divorces in New York involve a variety of financial factors that can significantly impact the outcome for both spouses. Understanding the nuances of asset distribution, property classification, and spousal support is crucial for anyone seeking a dissolution of their marriage in the state. Factors considered in the division of assets. When determining the equitable distribution of marital property, New York courts may consider a variety of factors, including 1. The duration of the marriage. 2. The age and health of each spouse. 3. The income and property of each spouse at the time of the marriage and at the time of the divorce. 4. The needs of the custodial parent to provide for the children. 5. The loss of inheritance or pension rights upon divorce. 6. The contributions each spouse made to the acquisition or appreciation of marital assets, including non-financial contributions such as homemaking and childcare. 7. The value of any separate property each spouse owns. 8. Any existing prenuptial or postnuptial agreements. 9. Whether either spouse attempted to hide or dissipate marital assets in anticipation of divorce. 10. The tax consequences of the property division. Spousal support or alimony considerations. In addition to the division of assets, divorcing couples in New York may also have to navigate the issue of spousal support, commonly known as alimony. The purpose of spousal support is to provide financial assistance to the lower-earning spouse, allowing them to maintain a similar standard of living as they enjoyed during the marriage. New York courts consider numerous factors when determining whether to award spousal support and in what amount. Some of these factors include 1. The income and assets of each spouse. 2. The length of the marriage. 3. The age, physical health, and emotional health of both spouses. 4. The standard of living established during the marriage. 5. The earning capacity of both spouses and their ability to become self-supporting. 6. The need for one spouse to receive education or training to become self-supporting. 7. The contributions either spouse made to the other's career, education, or earning capacity. 8. The presence of children and the need for one spouse to care for them. 9. The tax consequences of spousal support. Behavioral factors in New York divorces. When couples decide to end their marriage, there may be various factors contributing to their decision. In the state of New York, grounds for divorce can be based on either fault or no-fault grounds. Irretrievable breakdown of the marital relationship for a period of at least 6 months is considered a no-fault ground for divorce. However, there are certain behavioral issues or actions that can significantly impact the outcome of a divorce. Parental factors in New York divorces. Divorce is a challenging process for all parties involved. But when the divorcing spouses share children, the process becomes even more complex as both parents must navigate custody disputes, child support payments, and maintaining healthy relationships with their children post-divorce. Using evidence in a New York divorce. Divorce is a challenging and complex process. It can be an emotional and financially draining experience for both parties involved. One of the most critical aspects of a divorce, especially a contested one, is the collection and presentation of evidence to support your case. Legal procedures for obtaining evidence. To obtain and use evidence during divorce proceedings, it is essential to get the information in a lawful manner. If obtained illegally, the evidence may be deemed inadmissible and thus be unusable to support your claims. Working with a skilled attorney can allow you to get legal orders to compel your spouse or other parties to produce information pertinent to the case. Aside from legal orders, your attorney can also use other methods including the following. Risks of using social media during a divorce. Social media platforms can be a double-edged sword during a divorce. While they can serve as a valuable source of evidence, they can also be a potential source of harm to your case. Anything you post on social media can potentially be used against you in court, such as pictures or posts that suggest irresponsible behavior or contradict your claims. Protecting yourself during a New York divorce. Divorce can be a difficult and complicated process for both parties involved, and protecting yourself is crucial to ensure a fair and reasonable outcome. There are various steps you can take to protect your interests and your privacy during a divorce in New York. Strategies for managing your online presence. One important yet often overlooked aspect of protecting yourself during a divorce is managing your online presence. Since everything you post on social media or share online can potentially be used against you in court, it's essential to be cautious and mindful of your digital footprint. 1. Set your social media profiles to private. 2. Limit sharing personal details. 3. Change passwords. 4. Review and remove sensitive information. 5. Be careful with online dating. Keeping detailed records and documentation. Another essential aspect of protecting yourself during a divorce is maintaining accurate and comprehensive documentation. This can greatly help your case, especially when it comes to issues of child custody, spousal support, or the division of assets. 1. Financial records. 2. Communication logs. 3. Living arrangement history. 4. Personal property inventory. Retaining legal representation. Navigating the complexities of a divorce can be overwhelming, and it is important to have an experienced attorney to guide you through the process. Hiring a knowledgeable divorce lawyer is essential for protecting your rights and ensuring a fair outcome. 1. Research and interview potential attorneys. 2. Understand fees and costs. 3. Communicate openly and honestly. Contact us today at 718-293-1542 to schedule a consultation.